Lady is running.
Riley, let's brush TV. Here goes. Oh, he gets a TV brush. Look at that boy. He gets a TV brush.
What's going on?
I know. Let's see your tongue. Take your tongue out. Oh, there you go. There you go. Yeah. That's how you get rid of halitosis. All done. All done. Let's see what you look like. All done. Let's see.
Look, you're pearly white.
Yes.
Oh, black.
Pearly pinks. What do you think? That's kind of strange.
What do you think about that? What do you think about that? What? What? Yeah? Yeah? Yeah, I think so too.
You're mad.
Yeah. 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 Nadia. Yeah. Hey, don't hit me. Don't hit me. Oh, hit Mama. Yeah. That's the way to go. That's the way to do it. Woohoo!
All done. Say bye-bye, Susie.